Good morning. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. Today we're going to talk about the top 10 differences of driving in the UK versus the United States. Let's go ahead and get it. Number one, driving in America is very overwhelming. There are a lot of streets, there are a lot of people, and people often don't follow the rules. When you're learning how to drive, it's extremely important that you're patient. You allow yourself to integrate into learning the streets, learning how your vehicle drives. Number two, many Europeans have manuals versus Americans. 90% of the cars in the United States are automatics. Our brothers over the pond drive more manuals, so you need to understand how to put your car in gears. You need to understand how to use the clutch. Therefore, their tests can be a little bit more complicated. But I still have students who asking me, do you teach how to drive on your manual? And the answer is yes. Next, there are not as many roundabouts in the United States. There are more roundabouts in the UK. Therefore, the skill set and complexity of the situation is more difficult. As of recently, in many parts of North America, more roundabouts are starting to become built. They're safer, they're more efficient. If you have questions, I can do a Kahoot on that. Next, there are signs everywhere. Guide signs are green and white. In North America, we have guide signs all over. Your street sign, the road sign, the sign to the mall, the sign to driver's education. These signs give Americans information. When driving in America, you can turn right on red, but not necessarily. You have to look for a sign. Many intersections, you can turn right on red. However, you have to stop first and look. Many intersections in North America have a sign that says, no right turn on red. It is the driver's responsibility to look at this information. Driving in the U.S. is different. We have different rules. We have different rules in Texas. We have different rules in Florida. We have different rules in Nebraska. So therefore, each state, each municipality, each county has rules and signs to fit their needs. The driver's responsibility is set. You have to know this. School buses rule the road in North America. Early in the morning, school buses are out. You have to stop when the flashing stop sign is out and the flashers are on. You have to stop 20 feet. If you're on a divided highway, you can continue. If your highway is not divided, you need to stop. Next, you need to leave space. Space is key to be safe. It allows you time to react, and you don't want to tailgate. And in many states in North America, if you rear end someone, you're at fault. To left. In many locations, you have to go past the street you want to make a left on and make a U-turn and come back around. Next, car seat laws differ from the UK to North America. I hope this was helpful. It gave you some insight if you're planning to visit our brothers and sisters across the pond. Thank you so much. Have a great day.